Welcome back to Appetite for the Outdoors, brought to you by Carolina Cooker. And the recipe we're going to be doing today has several different names, but it's pretty much all the same dish. Johnny cakes, hoe cakes, griddle cakes. And so we're going to be using the Carolina Cooker 17-inch griddle. Got these coals good and hot. We're going to be using some Moss's fine ground cornmeal, white flour, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of salt, some baking powder, eggs, buttermilk, and just a touch of water. So let's get right into it. We're gonna add some oil to the griddle. All right, so we're gonna put about 2 to 3 ounces, good sized griddle cake. You can add a little bit of cheese to these guys. A couple of the guys around here like jalapeños. My favorite's a little bit of sweet corn. Kind of goes with everything. So as you can see, it's a really easy dish to put together, especially out here on the campfire. It can be served as a main entree, or you can do it with a side with something else. And as always, it's great to take wild game in the field, but it's even better when you can incorporate it into a dish.